First Alert Weather is brought to you by the Medical Center.
Already feeling like it's in the 50s. We'll be close to 60 degrees before you know it here. And tomorrow, looks like we may even crack 70 degrees. And you may be thinking, well, the last time we did that, we had severe weather that followed. But this time, we're not really calling for severe weather, even though there could be that chance of thunderstorms as we get into Wednesday with a cold front that comes in. Here's a look at First Alert live Doppler radar. We're seeing the all clear around the area. 53 current temperature reading in Bowling Green now. We check some mesonet sites, and it is everybody feeling good with these 50-degree temperatures. Mainly low to mid-50s, starting to see some upper 50s near the Tennessee border. Slightly cooler lower 50s off to the north. But everybody starting to feel that spring feeling to the air. Yeah, it's out there. And with that, some breezy conditions, which we even talked about yesterday would be in the forecast for today and the next couple of days. A very strong southwesterly fetch here, and that is going to bring our winds 10 to 15, even close to 20 miles per hour. So get used to that. If you're going to be outdoors for any part of the day, just keep in mind that it will be on the breezy side, as you see here, for the rest of the afternoon and even tomorrow, leading up to that cold front that is due in here on Wednesday. Sunshine galore, though, as we look live from our AAA Systems weather cam down Scottsville Road in front of the Bowling Green Airport. It is 54 degrees at the Mesonet site now. West-southwesterly winds coming in at 9 miles per hour. Fairly dry dew point at only 44, humidity 71%. We take a tour of some weather cams. This is the Mammoth Cave National Park weather cam. They're at 53 degrees. By the way, you notice how high the Green River is right here, and because of all the runoff that we've had from the melting ice and snow from last week, there are flood warnings along the Green River Basin, and it looks like in a couple of places like Rochester Ferry, Paradise, the river stages are going to be close to near flood stage, and so that could flood some bottomlands and probably close the or keep the Rochester Ferry from running, so keep that in mind. You may want to double check that. Litchfield at 52 degrees and mostly sunny up there in Grayson County, and then Glasgow over in Barron County is at 53 degrees and sunny. Russellville looking good at 54 degrees currently. 53 at the Bowling Green Airport, 40s to the north, not even bad in the Great Lakes, where they're starting to feel some of that warm air now coming up from the south and southwest, near 60 down Huntsville way. And you see here 14 degrees warmer now we are than we were at midday yesterday, and most everybody starting to feel those much warmer temperatures. A look at the radar showing that any kind of activity is well to the north of us now around Columbus, Ohio, south of Detroit. A little bit of light rain there. You would think maybe snow, but not so much here. Some of it is snow once you head into the Atlantic seaboard, but here things are very nice and dry, high pressure in control, keep fending off really any cloud cover. There's a little bit of cloud cover over in the southeastern corner of Kentucky, but high pressure is dominating our weather and will continue to do that for the next couple of days. Going to be prime weather here in southern Kentucky, feeling like spring, looking like spring, but we do have a little fly in the ointment here. Here comes a frontal boundary, very slow moving front that will be with us starting late Tuesday night and into Wednesday. The latest models speeding it up a little bit sooner than Wednesday afternoon and evening. So we may have some rain and even thunderstorms in here during the day Wednesday, and then much colder air for at least a day or maybe two as we head into the middle of the week, as you saw with that 7-day trend a little bit earlier. Mostly sunny, breezy, warmer today, 68, then 45, and mainly clear for tonight. How about a breezy 72 for tomorrow? There is that cool down on Wednesday with that chance of showers and thunderstorms at 57. We get down to 25 Wednesday night. I think most of the moisture will be gone by the time the cold air arrives. And then a cool day, 45 on Thursday, but then we warm it back into the upper 50s to low 60s for the weekend. We're back with more Midday in just a minute.